We're going to create the road and alleyways using floors. Make sure you're in your site plan. Go to floor. And then we'll just change them to generic 12-inch filled. And we're going to use the rectangle tool. It's going to make it really easy. I'm going to zoom in, and on that inside line to the inside line, I'm going to make my road, hit my green check mark. I'm going to do the same thing for my alleyways. Click on the lines. And click on the line. Once I create those two roads, I now need to change them to be asphalt. So I'm going to click on the road, go to Edit Type, duplicate and rename to Road and Alley. And then I'm going to go to Edit Structure, and then I'm going to change the material here. I'm going to create a new material and name it Asphalt. And you will find that in site work as well. And asphalt dark gray. Hit OK, hit OK, hit OK. And that's how to create the road and alleys.